Hello to everyone and welcome to Shenzhen Link Technology. We are a manufacturers company from Shenzhen, China, and we produce a digital signage display. We are ODM factory and R&D, and we focus on digital signage display LCD. Our core business is customization. We customize any kind of display and frame and any specification hardware and software for customers. We have our CMS system based on Android system, and Android is open root, so any customer can install them CMS or also use our CMS in cloud. Our application of display is very wide target and any kind. It starts from a restaurant with e-menu tablet or a supermarket with the price tag, the dual side display, selling mounted, or also we have standard digital signage display with the VESA mount or open frame or with the stand on the table, of course. We introduce also our new L-shaped display that you can look in this video with the price tag. We are now at Taiwan fair, and to this fair we show several different kind of display we can produce for you. Thank you so much.